If you have a house in Cleveland Heights, Ohio, and you're looking to sell fast, easily, conveniently, and for a fair price, then this video is for you. My name is Dave Payerchin, and for over 14 years, my team and I have been buying houses in Cleveland Heights. And in this video, I'm going to share with you why so many sellers in Cleveland Heights prefer to work with us as a direct buyer rather than working with a traditional buyer who maybe is working with a real estate agent and has got to qualify for some kind of mortgage or there's some kind of lender involved. So first things first, people love working with us because we're going to buy the house in its as-is condition. That means you don't got to fix anything, you don't got to clean, and you don't got to haul anything away. So anything that you want out of the house, you could keep your belongings. Of course, take anything that you want. Anything that you don't want or don't need, you simply can leave behind, and we'll take care of it for you. Also, there's no money that you got to pay out of pocket. There's no trips to the Home Depot, there's no cleaning, and there's no hiring a handyman, there's no getting the house ready. We're going to buy the house in Cleveland Heights in its true as-is condition, and what allows us to buy these houses as is we work with cash. So we're not relying on a mortgage lender like a traditional buyer does. A traditional buyer who's relying on a mortgage lender, well, they're going to send this thorough inspector through the house. It's very intrusive. They're going to try to test every single outlet and every single light switch and the ceiling fans, and they're going to open and close every single door, and they're going to compile pages and pages of things wrong with the house. And you know how this works. This could only be used against you. This could only be used for them to try to ask for favors or discounts or extensions and just completely waste your time. And then if this transaction with this traditional buyer, if it survives this thorough inspection, it gets worse because now the bank needs to send their appraiser through, and the appraiser works directly for the bank. And you know as well as I do, the bank has their own best interests in mind. They're looking for any opportunity to pull the rug out from under this thing, waste your time, cancel this deal, and now you're right back to where you started. But in real estate, time is money, because all the time that you waste working with a traditional buyer, well, that's costing you utilities, insurance, property taxes, opportunity cost, because you should have had your hands on your money a long time ago. So if you have a house in Cleveland Heights that you're looking for a fair offer on, give us a call at 614-300-5151 or visit us online at sellhousecolumbus.com. I know it says Columbus in the website name. It's because our real estate business was founded in Columbus, but we are born and raised in the Cleveland area, and we're very familiar with Cleveland Heights and the houses in Cleveland Heights. So when we get on the phone, it's an easy conversation. We just need to know more about the house and then know more about your timeline for wanting to close. And this is very important. You tell us when you want to close. It's not like a traditional buyer where you're hoping and relying on this bank to tell you when this thing's going to close. You tell us when you want to close. If you need to move quickly, we can make it happen quickly. If you need flexibility and we want to set a future target date, we can do that as well. And when we speak to you, we're going to make you a fair cash offer. And I just wanted you to know, if our offer works for you, great, we'll move forward. If our offer doesn't work for you, that's okay too. There's no pressure or tactics and sales gimmicks and no nonsense. You would see through the BS anyway. In fact, you probably see this BS that happens in this real estate business when the people sending you the text messages and the cold calls and these call centers. Half these call centers aren't even in Ohio. Half of them aren't even in the United States. And they're trying to talk to you about your house, and they've never even been there. So when we speak with you, it's going to be a very easy conversation. We just need to know more about the house and then know more about the closing time frame that you're working with. Now, that's very important because when you speak and work with us, you close when you want to. So you tell us if you want to close quickly, we can make it happen quickly. If you need flexibility and you want to set a future closing date, we can accommodate your needs that way as well. But we're going to make you a fair cash offer on the house. And if our offer works for you, great, we'll move forward and get this thing done. If our offer doesn't work for you, no worries, no crime, no foul. We'll simply shake hands and part as friends. We're never going to try to apply pressure or sales tactics and gimmicks and scripts. That's what you get with these call centers. Those are the ones that are sending you 100 texts and cold calling you and saying they got an offer for you. Half of these call centers, they're not even located in the United States, but they're trying to talk to you about your house in Cleveland Heights like they've ever even been there. They've never been there. You want to work with locals who are going to treat you fair and sell to a direct buyer so there's no fees, commissions, and someone who's going to buy the house in its as-is condition. So if you have a house in Cleveland Heights and you want to get a fair offer on it, or if you just want to know what your options are, give us a call at 614-300-5151 or visit us online at sellhousecolumbus.com. My name is Dave Perichin. I look forward to speaking with you, and I look forward to working with you.